What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Leo, and I'm all about trying new things.
Today, we are going to search for a new cooking ingredient, Icus molten lava.
Can you believe this? It's incredible.
Whoa! Look at this. What kind of footprint is this? It's huge. No way. Am I seeing things?
What a day! The mission was a success. Now, it's time to head home and get baking. And there you have it, the volcano surprise cake. Perfect!
Absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time.